if you have a TikTok account and you are a business owner or an online vendor, or you offer services online, TikTok is ready to promote your business for free, provided you turn on a setting inside your TikTok. Now you have to take advantage of this offer because it might not last forever. But before then, follow this account and share this to all the online vendors or business owners that you know. Let's go and check it out.
So all you just need to do is head over to your TikTok and open it. So when you are right there, you go to your profile where you have all your posts or your upload. Click on it. So when you are there, just remember it is only for business owners. If your post, if your upload is about your business, people selling business, it's not just any post or your normal activity. No, it's only for your post relating to business, or if you have a product you are selling. So let's assume this particular video is for that purpose, just for example. So when you open the post or the video, you click on these 3-line dots, then you scroll to your right where you have ad settings. Just click on ad settings. So this first option that says disclose post content, you turn it on. But before then, let's just read it together. I say let others know this post promotes a brand, product or service. So you want to turn it on. A other option, if your brand is a personal brand, you choose the first option, your brand. But if it's a third party or you are promoting someone else's brand, is not your personal brand, you can choose the second option. So let's say we're promoting our personal brand as a business owner. You click on this first one, then you save. Click on save, then you continue. This is how you allow TikTok algorithm to help you promote your business. So when you keep doing this for your posts, you see that you have more engagement, and it's like you are running a free advert. TikTok is helping you to run advert on their platform. So if you benefit from this video, you can share it to as many people as you want, and also like this video. And don't forget that we also run ads for people. So if you're a business owner and you want to run professional ads to reach the right audience, services are available. You can just send a DM. So stay tuned for similar videos like this.